News X this morning. I'm Piyushi Sharma. Let's get you started with some breaking news coming your way this morning. All right, and some news just in. The IOA General Secretary Rajiv Mehta says he will sue Scotland Police. He will file a defamation case against them. So that's the breaking input we are getting at this point. Remember, there was huge hype and hoopla surrounding this IOA official. Let's listen in to him.
सर खड़े होकर बताइए सर एक पता नहीं था क्या सर देखिए सस्पेंडेड बाय रेफरिंग फेडरेशन अच्छा राइट नेताजी खड़े होकर बात कर लेते हैं सर एक मिनट के लिए सर जो आपके ऊपर चार्जेस लगाए गए थे एक मिनट नीचे
आराम से यही आदमी पूछ ले
सर आपके ऊपर जो चार्जेस लगाए गए थे उस पर आपका क्या कहना है
नहीं कोई चार्जेस थे ही नहीं अब कोई कंफ्यूजन रहा होगा उनका और सब चीज क्लियर हो गई तो मुझे कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं
सर स्कॉटलैंड पुलिस तो ये कह रही है कि अभी तक उन्होंने क्लीन चिट नहीं दी है सर आपको
प्रोसिक्यूशन नहीं मुझे क्लियर कर दिया तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ
और सर क्या आप सर
आराम से यार
आराम से बात कर लेते हैं उनको
सीधे बात कर लूंगा आराम से मैं आपकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर दूंगा आपके जरूरत
नेताजी पूरा मामला क्या था और क्यों इस तरह की चीजें आने दें
आई विल डू द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस यार नो प्रॉब्लम
नेताजी बताइए तो नेताजी बताइए तो सही
थैंक यू
हुआ था वो आपकी ही गलती की
There you heard it. IOA General Secretary Rajiv Mehta, remember, who was accused by the Scotland Police of being, in fact, involved in a sexual assault case there while the CWG or the Commonwealth Games were on there in Scotland. He's returned and he said that he will sue the Scotland Police for defaming him. My colleague Sriji with us on the phone line for more details. Well, Srijit, take us through what are the details. Now, he said that for all the defamation, he's going to sue the Scotland Police. Did he really mention in that interview that you took?
Yeah, absolutely. 10 minutes back, Rajiv Mehta landed here in the IGI airport, and when we asked that whether he will go against the Scotland Police, he said yes, he will go against the Scotland Police after having a chat with his lawyers. And remember, Rajiv Mehta was leveled with charge of drunken driving, and Scotland Police dropped all the charges which was leveled against him. So, which means either Scotland Police was on the wrong side or our officials. So definitely when we asked Rajiv Mehta whether he will file a defamation case against them, so he said yes, definitely he will go through. And today he will be holding a press conference wherein he will be clearing all the stats, all the information regarding this.
Right, Suji, also, can you confirm us what time is the press conference where he intends to clear his side of the story?
Well, so far he has not confirmed the date and place where actually he will hold the press conference, but it is for sure that today or tomorrow he may hold the press conference.
Also, Sriji, when you were trying to talk to him, trying to extract more information, he sounded rather evasive. What exactly is he trying to suggest? How is he explaining himself?
Actually, remember, he was really tense when he came out from the airport, and we asked, especially Music, when asked whether he was involved in that particular controversy. He was a little bit confused. He was tense. And he said no, Scotland Police really, dropped all the charges. When we tried to get more information from him, he said he'll be holding a press conference. And when we asked whether he will be suing, the Scotland team, he said yes, he will go against them because either technically either Scotland Police, whom we admire as a best police team force, they should be on the wrong side or our Indian officials. So they will be, Rajiv Mehta will be, talking to their, colleagues and lawyers, and then he will come up with the final answer.
All right, Suji, thanks very much for joining us with all those details on that specific chat with Rajiv Mehta. Remember, the IO official who has been defamed by the Scotland Police, at least that's what he alleges, and he plans to sue them.